TJ 437 Motorsports. Today's video, air filter change. Just a quick video on what you gotta do. All right, so what I did, 5/16 flathead here and here, pops this whole elbow out of the way. I unplugged this, unplugged that, and then that allowed, also you got the Phillips screw here and here. That allowed me to flip the box up and out of the way. Filters in between there. You got 3 little tabs on the bottom that lock in. When you slide it back in, just makes you do it. I did have to do some light tapping on it to get it to seat. And then when you tighten these up, since they're in plastic, just make sure you just snug them down. Don't go crazy, you'll break it probably. And that's it. All right, anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hope this video helped you. Check out some more of my other content, and have a great day.